Hi, I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. Hi, I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. And today's Thursday, I think, and it's 40 degrees right on the money, and windy and overcast. It was supposed to be sunny, but it's overcast and windy and 40 degrees. I've got the windmill going. I've got a bunch of batteries. I've got 3 batteries that needed to be charged, so I'm charging batteries on the windmill today, taking advantage of the wind. I went out this morning and got stuff for Beth to ship. A little late in the day because the internet was down the first part of the day, but I got all her stuff for her. And then I made a dozen BIOS micros, and I had orders for some stainless steel 5x18 pot stands, and I made some droop tops. And last night I started the bandsaw and cut out the parts for 4 squirrel cages, which the orders are starting to come in for now. Emily's not here yet, and I haven't got any telephone call saying when it would be. Hopefully soon. I got some more parts that I ordered for the restoration of the Volkswagen Beetle, and I'm really happy with them. They're a lot better than the parts they used to offer. The technology's advanced a lot. I ordered a one-piece window kit for the front side windows, and the scrapers that come in it are just light years ahead of the old ones. But that's another story. Real happy with that. Not a lot going on here today. In about another, it's around 1 o'clock. Around 2 o'clock, the post office will open back up, and we're going to go down to the post office and mail the orders that she got today. I think she had 7 or 8. I'm not sure, but had a bunch of boxes. You might have had 10. So I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have a really great day, and try to take the time out today to have just a little bit of fun. It'll make your day go a lot better. Bye-bye.